Okay, I'm gonna make a short video on I've used a few waterproofers or waterproofing agents for my motorbike jacket and trousers. Didn't get the results I was looking for. I actually think it might have been down to I didn't wash my outfits first, so on to me for not being that good. So decided to try this stuff. I used to use it for my tents back in the day, so I'm going to try it and see how we go with it. So that's what I'm using, Fabsil. Okay. Going to be a short video on Fabsil Universal Protector. Got myself a little spray bottle. It's never been used for anything, so happy days, says he. So this of course is the jacket. What you're going to do, it says lay it out on a flat surface. I decided to hang it from the rafters just to be odd. Wouldn't be like me, because it's easier for me to spray. So it says leave it for 16 hours, and as long as my string doesn't break, it lets me spray and get a proper coat to everywhere where I need it to go. Whereas when it's lying on the ground, it doesn't seem to work that way. So I'm going to round the zips. Just making sure I'm still in shot. It's not what you want to be looking at. It's the I don't know whether I'd just give it a good old coating. I did with the tents and I never really bothered, but so it does say wear gloves with this here, because you will get covered. It's definitely a lot easier to hang your garments and spray. So before I do the back, suppose you put a bit of wood in here or a coat hanger, it would work probably better. I've done the trousers while they were lying on a table, obviously not the wife's table. It was the table that I have in the garage here. Now, it does recommend clean cloth. Wipe it down, so first of all, Will it do the job? I hope so. Proof is in the pudding, or proof is in the water test. Well, that's it covered. I'll make another one tomorrow, Saturday, so it says 16 hours. We'll see how we go. We'll have plenty of hours to dry anyway. We'll hang in here. Well, then if I have 2 suits to do, so we'll see how we get with that. They said you can use this on your boots as well. I've already done a waterproofing on my boots, and I'm really happy with it. And we'll see how it fares over the next few days. Obviously, we're expecting a lot of rain here, and then if it starts breaking down, I'll use the Fabsil on it as well to see whether it is as good as what they all say. It looks like everything beads off. See, if you use it in tents, it beads off brilliantly, but I'm hoping that it does exactly the same as here. I never thought of it before, so here we go. Thanks.